In the consultation workshop Building Momentum Beyond INC-5.2, the Global Plastic Treaty was jointly organized by the Ministry of Agriculture and Environment and UNDP Vietnam on the 21st of October 2025. It followed the fifth section of the Intergovernmental Negotiating Committee, which aimed to establish a legally binding global treaty to end plastic pollution, but concluded without consensus due to differing national positions and interests.
And as one of the countries most affected by plastic pollution, Vietnam organized this workshop to explore practical solutions and maintain momentum in the fight against plastic waste.
UNDP estimates plastic make up roughly 80% of the country's marine debris, threatening its sustainable development goals. Vietnam's situation mirrors a global challenge, underscoring the need for a global framework to curb plastic pollution.
There are several major issues. First is the scope of this agreement. Second is how responsible the polluting countries are. And third is whether developed countries will support developing countries, because each country's capacity is different.
Despite the absence of a legally binding global treaty, Vietnam continues to advance collective efforts across all sectors. Discussions included how the private sector can integrate sustainability into operations while maintaining economic growth.
Responsible businesses, they all prioritize for the investment in sustainability because that will have the business to grow in the long term. Together with the investment, we can redesign the product. We can work together to change the consumption behavior.
During the negotiation process, Vietnam has remained an active and constructive participant.
Vietnam wants a global agreement on plastic pollution, but we have to consider the state of plastic industry and law enforcement capacity.
This workshop is an opportunity to review global progress and reaffirm Vietnam's proactive stance on sustaining national momentum, linking policies to practical actions, and laying the groundwork for sustainable and independent plastic waste management solution.